YouTube, I'm back. It's your boy Money Making Mitch. I'm back with another exclusive. I told you every now and again I would drop a lost and forgotten, underrated, slept on clipper in the industry. And today I talk about none other than this right here, Andis Speedmaster 2. This right here is definitely a beast. This right here is definitely a beast. Before I unbox it, I'll give you some tips and facts off of the box. I'll give you my opinion of, what's going on. Right here in the box it says the kit contains, it comes with the machine, it comes with all 8 of the guards, and it comes with the little mini clipper oil, some brush, and the little clipper case thing so you can not chip your teeth. On the box it says Andis themselves, they give it almost a 4 out of 5 in control. They give it a moderate amount on speed. It says it cuts wet and dry hair well. They say it's more so for coarse hair, and it runs on a pivot motor. It also says that it's best for all around styling and barbering. On the front of the box it boasts that it has 4 times the power of a comparable magnetic clipper. I'm not necessarily sure about that, because I've been an Andis man for a while, and though I like it, I don't know about 4 times more power than the Masters. So let's get to the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll get the machine. I've been working these for a while now. I probably had these for probably a couple of years now. So being that I'm new to the YouTube channel, I'm just trying to, build up some content and bring some things back to the industry. I know everybody's right now kind of like hip on the cordless deal, but I always keep that little sleeper clipper in the tuck that's corded. Now Andis, if you're listening and you're watching, this right here, this would be a game changer. Make this into a cordless model and you definitely got a fan for life. When you make it, send it to me. I'll do a review on it. So when you open the box, you get this deal right here. You get your manual. Like I said in my last clipper review, please Barbers, read your manual. And then, like I said, you get the oil and the clipper guard thing, and you get all 8 of the guards. You get all 8 of the guards, whatever every guard you'll need. So let me pop the guards open. As you can see, I've never used these guards. Let's see what we got going on here. So I'll take the smallest guard, which is the 0, and I'll see how it fits. So on first review, using the clipping the guard, this is literally the first time I've ever clipped this guard on it. I've never even used it. It fits pretty snug. If you can see, there's like no gap. It fits like you won't be cutting. You can do this hair fade and it won't slip off. It fits pretty snug. It's not the cheapest guard, but I'm not necessarily a fan of the plastic on it. And then after a while, this little clip deal, this won't be this tight after a while. So what I use is, and this was also one of the best inventions you guys ever made. This right here is a game changer. This is the Andis Nano purple magnetic guard, the double version. I know everybody hates on the single version. I have a review coming on why you should give the single magnet version a chance again. So when you get this on here, you see how I click that, how good that clicks. Bang, click this in, and this right here is very fast. You can just click it on, click it off, click it on, click it off, so it doesn't really waste time. As far as the machine in your hand, it's built well. Like it's not even though it looks very small and it's ergonomic, it's really not that. It's really not made cheaply. Like, you can feel the weight on it. Like, people that, you know, are industry standards and you don't want to change to anything else, transferring from the master, yes, it is a little lighter, but it has a little heft and a little weight to it. One of the features that I do love about this particular clipper is it comes stock with the ceramic blade. If you can see that, that's the ceramic blade. This blade right here never dulls. It doesn't run hot. I've done everything with this clipper. I've done ball fades, I've done light fades, I've done everything. I mean, this clipper really does, it really lives up to its standard. It cuts everything. It cuts through thick, coarse hair, it cuts through fine hair, straight hair, curly, everything. As far as fading, this machine is a beast as far as fading. I know a lot of guys stick to the master because it has the notches on it. But if you use like a open half closed system, the way, see this little line right here, where this line is at, if you just push the lever directly in line with that line, that's literally halfway. I don't know if you can see it, but that's literally halfway. So I know that I can go open half when I get it to that line, and then this is close, half, open. So that's how I do my fades with this. This blade right here, like I said, I've had this for maybe 2 years now. I have not changed this blade. This blade really lasts as long as you spray it and oil it in between cuts. It's definitely stays sharp. They can be zero gap. Mine aren't zero gap, and I purposely don't zero gap all of my clippers. Barbers, I'll give you a little tip. I don't zero gap all of my clippers because I like to blend different types of clippers with my cut. So if someone wants not necessarily a bald fade, but they want like a real close, like that step right before a bald fade, the factory set will give you that shadow line where I can literally put this closed and do a light fade, and it'll be almost bald but not all the way bald. So that's why I don't have these zero gap. They can be zero gap if you want to take if you want to take it all the way down the skin and get the bald line up. If I had any complaints, the button is all the way down here, but that's after using them for a while. I've gotten used to it. That's really not a deal. And they're so small in your hand, you can literally turn them on and off. Like, I'm literally turning it on and off from right here, so it's not a big deal. But people are sticklers for that. The look of the clipper, this little chrome finish deal, and the rubber, that's a decent look. This right here is this rubber piece. It gives you a little thumb rest and a grip, so like when you're fading, it's not as slippery as this. That's a good feature. The back of the clipper is also like a little tacky rubber, so you won't slip and mess around and drop it. It's definitely fast. Definitely, like I said, I don't know if Andis, I don't know, you tried to swindle us with the 4 times faster. I don't know about that, but it's definitely fast. If I had to rate these clippers, in my honest opinion, after using them for a while, I would definitely give these, I can't give it a perfect because it's not cordless. Like, Andis, come on, you doing cordless? Please, you see this, do me a favor, make this cordless, send me one. I'll do a review. This is comparable to the other company's version of this. I won't mention the other company, but you guys know what I'm talking about. In comparison to the other companies, this is definitely my pick. Like, I like the other company, but being that I'm an Andis man, this is my pick. They have this little hook deal here. I don't really use the hook thing, and I don't really use the hook thing anymore. That's my man C. Thorne the Barber. Check him out on his page. C. Thorne the Barber. We got a YouTube page and we got a Instagram. Both C. Thorne the Barber. But like I said, if I had to give it a rating, I would give it a 9 out of 10. This is definitely a slept-on clipper. I've been working with it for a while. You may see some of my videos. You may see me using this in my videos. I use this all the time. This is definitely a good clipper.
He's done it.
So that's it.
You missed it?
Yeah, you missed it.
Second one.
So follow me on YouTube at Moneymaking Mitch. You can also follow me on Instagram at Triple M the Barber. That's TRIPLEM the Barber. As always, like I said, I'm going to take you guys on the journey. I'm definitely going to keep putting these clippers together and get this money. Until the next time, peace.